Imagine your hair as a thirsty houseplant, minus leaves, but still full of drama. When you live in a hard water area, your strands are sipping on a cocktail of minerals, hello, calcium and magnesium, and they do so every time you shampoo. Over time, these mineral deposits can leave your hair feeling gritty, dull, and for our bleached and color treated friends, downright thirsty and rebellious. Where do they predominantly come from? Things like tap water. So, here's where demineralizing shampoo can come to the rescue with the charm of a spa day and the precision of a lap coat. Just like sending unruly guests packing, a demineralizing shampoo gently lifts away build-up calcium and magnesium. Think of using a dishwasher. The spots you get on glasses and you want to remove those, it's the same principle. No more crunchy roots or that I just ran a marathon dryness that can occur. Your hair will emerge softer, lighter, and ready for its next treat. Bleached hair always walks a tightrope between perfect and not so perfect, fuzzy to fragile realities. Mineral buildup is like extra weight on that tightrope. One wrong step and things get frizzy. By washing away those heavy mineral deposits that come from tap water, your hair feels bouncier and better able to show off that salon fresh blonde. With minerals out of the way, argan oil can penetrate more deeply. Imagine VIP access to every hair cuticle, every bit of the hair shaft. The result? Softer, shinier strands that smell like luxury and may have a hint of I woke up like this. Then you have the pH balancing light conditioners that can help you. pH is like the thermostat for your hair's environment. Too alkaline and the cuticle flares. Too acidic and it tightens up too much. Demineralized hair responds beautifully to the precise dusting conditioner for maximum silkiness. This process will also make room for bond building treatments. Think of these as the internal architects reinforcing your hair structure. When minerals are gumming up the works, bond builders can do their job unimpeded, repairing, strengthening, and even keeping the breakage at bay. It's kind of like scrubbing the scales off your coffee machine, except you're treating your crown of glory instead of your morning brew. If your hair could talk, it would say, "Thank goodness you listened to Perry, getting me that demineralizing shampoo from him. My split ends were about to unionize. Get that man a brownie." Starting your hair routine with a demineralizing shampoo is like laying down the red carpet for every product that follows. It strips away the unwanted mineral paparazzi so your argan oil, pH balancing conditioners, and bond building treatments can shine in the spotlight, giving you healthier, happier, even softer hair that's ready to take center stage. So treat your locks to a fresh start because life's too short for dull, mineral crusted hair. If you do have any questions, any further questions, and you'd like to reach out to me, I'd be more than happy to try my best to get an answer for you as quickly as I can. Thank you for listening. Leave your comments in the comment section. Take care now.